Did you know that in the animal world there are beings that live inside other beings? And we're not just talking about worms or parasites, but larger animals that find shelter in their hosts. Today we will explore this fascinating relationship between animals that share their living spaces. Crabs of the genus Plains Minutus are small crustaceans that inhabit tropical and subtropical regions of the Atlantic. At less than 10 millimeters long, these crabs face a major challenge, the difficulty of swimming long distances. Therefore, they have developed a unique strategy to survive in the ocean, living inside sea turtles. These crabs found the turtles' shells to be an ideal environment for shelter. More specifically, they lodge between the tail and the reptile's carapace, taking advantage of the available space and the protection offered by the turtle. This partnership is beneficial for both sides. While the crabs have a safe and secure home, the turtles are not harmed by the presence of these small crustaceans. The interesting thing is that crabs do not live alone inside turtles. Generally, they take their partners with them to share the space and, often, they even reproduce there. This phenomenon, known as commensalism, is a form of symbiotic relationship where one species benefits without causing harm to the other. Additionally, crabs play an important role in cleaning turtles. While inhabiting the space between the tail and the carapace, they feed on parasites and debris that may be present on the reptile's skin. Thus, they contribute to the hygiene and health of sea turtles, without causing any harm to them. The pearlfish, also known as the stickfish, is a peculiar species that has found an unusual home: sea cucumbers. These fish, which can reach up to half a meter in length, have a notable preference for living inside these marine echinoderms. This relationship is one of the most fascinating in the animal world. Sea cucumbers are soft-bodied marine animals known for their elongated shapes and gelatinous texture. For pearlfish, these creatures are the perfect home. Using their special abilities, the fish are able to enter the cavities of sea cucumbers and take up residence there. This is an incredible adaptation considering that sea cucumbers generally don't offer spaces large enough for a sizable fish. Once inside the sea cucumber, the pearlfish feeds on available resources, which can include food particles and even the cucumber's own feces. This diet may seem unconventional, but it is an example of how animals find creative ways to survive in challenging environments. It is important to note that not all pearlfish are parasites of sea cucumbers. Some pearlfish are opportunistic predators, taking advantage of the opportunity to find food inside the sea cucumber. However, many of them establish a symbiotic relationship, where both sides benefit from each other. Remoras and sharks form one of the most interesting and successful partnerships in the marine world. These fish, belonging to the Echiniidae family, are known for their unique ability to latch onto sharks and other large marine animals such as rays and turtles. Remoras have a distinctive feature: a dorsal fin transformed into a kind of suction cup. This specialized structure allows them to attach themselves to the bodies of sharks, remaining firmly anchored as they accompany their hosts on their journeys through the oceans. For remoras, this association with sharks is highly beneficial. They feed on the remains of food that come out of the sharks' mouths during their meals, ensuring a constant source of food. Furthermore, they take advantage of the protection and security offered by sharks, avoiding predators and increasing their chances of survival. In turn, sharks are not harmed by the presence of remoras. On the contrary, some theories suggest that remoras may even offer benefits to sharks, such as helping to remove parasites or warning of the presence of nearby prey. Pique-bois, also known as woodpeckers, play an interesting role in the ecology of the ecosystems where they live, especially in African savannas. Two notable species are the yellow-billed woodpecker and the red-billed woodpecker, which are about 20 centimeters long, have robust beaks and sharp claws. One of the most striking characteristics of these birds is their behavior of attaching themselves to large mammals, such as buffaloes and giraffes. Pique-bois use their sharp claws to cling to the skin of these animals and, from there, begin a thorough cleaning process. This cleaning consists of removing parasites, such as ticks and fly larvae, which can lodge in the skin of mammals. Pique-bois are experts at this task, using their robust beaks to dislodge parasites and their sharp claws to search hard-to-reach areas. For mammalian hosts, this interaction is highly beneficial. Removing parasites helps keep your skin healthy and free of infestations, reducing the risk of illness and discomfort. Additionally, pique-bois can act as sentinels, alerting mammals to the presence of nearby predators. In turn, pique-bois benefit from this relationship by obtaining a reliable source of food. Parasites removed from mammals can serve as an important source of protein for these birds, contributing to their nutrition and survival. Emperor shrimp are small marine crustaceans that have a unique strategy for traveling across the oceans. They hitch a ride on sea slugs. These shrimp, which are generally between 2.5 and 3 centimeters long, are known for their fragility and difficulty traveling long distances on their own. However, they found an ingenious solution by teaming up with sea slugs, especially the Spanish dancer. Sea slugs, which are marine mollusks known for their graceful and colorful movements, offer emperor shrimp a unique opportunity to move around the ocean. The shrimp attach themselves to the slugs' backs, taking advantage of their mobility and ability to navigate marine environments. This symbiotic relationship benefits both parties. For emperor shrimp, sea slug travel provides an efficient way to move around the ocean, allowing them to reach new areas and find food resources. Furthermore, shrimp can feed on slug secretions and waste, ensuring a source of food during the journey. Nature presents us with an incredible diversity of symbiotic relationships, where different species coexist harmoniously. These examples show us how animals can find creative solutions to survive and thrive in the wild. If you enjoyed exploring the animal world with us, don't forget to like, share this video and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating wildlife content.